Welcome in laminar flow part 2. So, in laminar flow the part 1 we discuss in the detail when fluid flow through the pipes, what is the velocity distribution, what is the shear stress distribution. We know the velocity is the maximum at the center, yes, and the nature is the parabola, and the velocity is the this average velocity is the half of the maximum velocity, and this Hagen-Poiseuille equation is we calculate delta p equal to 32 mu u bar L, yes, upon d square. So, these are when fluid flow through pipes, okay. But if fluid is flowing in a parallel plates in plates, yes, what is the pattern? What is the pattern of the velocity distribution? What is the pattern of the shear distribution? And there the different condition are there. When fluid flowing in a pipe, there are no so many conditions are there. In the pipe fluid is flowing, yes, if there is the laminar flow, yes, in the table, and you calculate if flow is a laminar, yes, we calculate what is the velocity distribution, what is the shear distribution, yes, we calculate what is the pressure difference, what is the average velocity, what is the maximum velocity using the Hagen-Poiseuille equations. But in case of the plates, just suppose this is the plate, yes, fluid is flowing inside the plate. What is the condition? Condition one is the when both plate are fixed, this is the fix and lower and upper plate are fixed, then fluid is flowing. What is the pattern? What is the velocity distribution? What is the shear distribution? Another, when this plate one is the fix, lower is the fix, upper is the moving the same velocity as the fluid velocity, then what is the pattern? Another, if both plate are moving, yes, one is yes in this direction, another in this direction, means one is the velocity with flow, another is the opposite to the flow, then what is the pattern? Yes, what is the pattern of velocity and pressure distribution? How we calculate all these distribution, velocity, pressure, and what is the shear stress? Okay. So, in this our today's session, we discuss the viscous fluid flow between two parallel plates. So, three cases we discuss, yes, mainly three cases are going to explain under the viscous fluid flow. Yes, what is the first? One plate is moving, another is the rest. Yes, both are rest position. Yes, first one plate is moving and other is rest. One is moving. Yes, so this one is the rest, lower is the rest. At rest, stationary. This plate is stationary, this one is the movable plate, moving plate. This is the moving with the same velocity, the velocity of a fluid. Yes, velocity of a fluid, capital U. Upper plate is moving, this capital U velocity. Yes, do you follow my point? Do you understand? Okay. So, second position when both are at rest, and third is both plate moving in opposite direction. Yes. So, first is the yes, this one is known as the Curti flow. So, what are the assumptions? Before deriving any equation, we take some assumptions. Yes, the flow is steady and uniform flow. This one is the steady, yes, Curti flow, yes, for steady and uniform flow. Steady flow means all parameter does not change, yes, do not change with respect to time. Parameter, velocity, pressure, all these parameters, yes, with respect to time, it is not variable, it is constant, means d, yes, dv upon dt, dp upon dt, all these equal to 0. There and there is no acceleration, yes, means resultant force in the flow direction equal to 0. No acceleration, resultant force in the flow direction is 0. So, these are the some assumptions while going, yes, to derive this equation. Okay. So, simple, very simple, this is the plate, yes, plate. Okay. We draw a new figure, new diagram, do not worry, yes, simple. So, this one is the fix, this one is the movable, moving plate, yes, simple, this is the plate. Just see what is this area, if you see y, yes, this one is the y, total width is the b, total width is the b, y. So, x direction, this one is the x. So, this x, y. Okay. So, what is the area? Pressure, force pressure into area, suppose dP into 1 unity, you take, yes, unit dP into 1. So, this p, so dP into 1 is the area. So, dy into 1, yes, dy into 1 into 1, this is the area, this is the pressure into area, this is the force. Shear stress into, because in this direction y, this is the shear stress into dx into 1, dx into 1 unit we take. So, okay. So, what does it mean? It means this plate, suppose, yes, this part, if we take this part, yes, out, yes, what is the, yes. So, this one is the P into dy into area. This again, what is this? P plus, yes, P plus del P upon del x into dx into dx. This is the pressure, pressure into area. What is the area? Simple dy into A. And what is the shear? Lower shear? Yes, shear stress, shear into dx into 1. And this shear moving y direction, what is the shear? Tau del tau upon del y, moving y into dy into dx into 1. So, just see this one is similar. This is the forces, balance of the forces, balance of the forces. So, what is the resultant? Resultant, yes, resultant means P dy, just see P dy positive, because this positive, negative. So, this one is the positive, P dy positive, positive. This one is the negative, this negative. Shear, this one is the again negative and this one is the positive, positive, only n equal to 0. Yes, if you solve, yes, dpy, this cancelled out, dpy, this was the cancelled, this cancelled. What is remaining? Minus del p upon del x dx dy. So, del tau dy, dy dx. Again, if you equate dy dx, so we get, if you equate this one, if you equating this, what is the equation? Del tau upon del y equal to del p upon del x. Just see, you see, this one is the equation. Yes, very simple. Yes, and it is simple, del p, very simple, del x equal to del tau upon del y. Yes, it is follow Newton's law of viscosity. So, in place of tau, del y, in place of, yes, what is this? Mu du upon dy. What is this? This is the Newton's law of viscosity. Newton's law of viscosity. So, what is this? Mu du upon dy square del p del x. If you want to calculate velocity, so what you can? You can write del u upon y equal to 1 upon mu del p upon del x, integrate 2 times, 1 times for, yes, velocity gradient, another time in the 2 times, first time is the del u upon del y, yes, 1 upon 2 mu del p del x into y, then integrate. So, what become u become 1 upon, yes, 2 times, if, yes, one become y, another is y square, this is not, yes, y square by 2 second time, this become 2 mu del p del x, this is the y square C 1, one time constant C 1 y plus C 2, 2 times. So, double integration. So, this, and if you double integrate, this one, the, if you double integrate by double integration, double integration. So, nature again, what is the nature? Nature is again the parabolic, nature is parabolic. So, nature is parabolic. So, boundary condition at y equal to 0, because this is the at rest. So, boundary condition at y equal to 0, velocity 0, another at y equal to v, yes, at b, this distance u become capital U, same velocity, u become capital U, putting this boundary condition in this expression. So, if y 0, this 0 0, C 2 become 0, yes, simple, C 2 become 0, and putting, yes, y b u capital U. So, if C 2 0, yes, because y 0, this one is the 0, this one is 0, C 2 become u 0, C 2 0, this means C 2 is 0, the first boundary condition. So, at y equal to b, putting y b, so b square, it is b, it become 0, u become capital U. So, what is the u? Yes. So, this u become, yes, just to calculate, yes, 1 upon twice mu, u become capital U, yes, del p del x, y become b square and C 1 b, okay, C 1 b. So, we can, what is C 1? Yes, C 1 we can, yes, C 1 is u upon b minus 1, yes, what is C 1? C 1 is u minus 1 upon 2 mu del p del x into b, yes. So, putting this equation is combining in, yes, if you combine, what is the u? If you combine, so u become capital U upon b into y minus 1 upon 2 mu del p del x b y minus y square, this one is the. And what is the velocity distribution? If you see velocity distribution, yes, at y, at this 0 and this one is the u. So, this one is the pattern sum, yes, again square. So, parabolic. So, this one is the expression, this is the expression, yes, this one is the expression. And what about the discharge? Yes, discharge per unit width, if you calculate, yes, discharge q upon b. What is this? Small q. So, this one is known as discharge per unit width. Yes. So, this q 0 to b u into dy. So, 0 to b in place of, yes, if you, yes, you can directly solve and you get u into b by 2 minus b cube 12 mu del p upon del x. is the, what is this? Discharge, this is discharge upon per unit width. So, this is a discharge per unit width. And what about shear distribution? If we differentiate velocity in respect to du upon dy, velocity, you get this expression, you get this expression. You differentiate velocity, and what is the velocity? This one, this is the velocity. If we differentiate differentiate this u, this one is the du upon, yes, dy, du upon dy, okay, du upon dy. If we differentiate, so we get this. If you differentiate, you get this one is the. So, this above equation, yes, all these are equation, each known as, this equation is known as generalized, this one is the generalized Cauchy flow equation. Yes, Cauchy flow equation generalized. What is the Cauchy flow? Generalized Cauchy flow equation, generalized Cauchy flow equation. So, yes, means if one plate at rest, yes, when this one is at rest, this is the moving with u velocity, yes. So, what is the pattern at velocity 0? The pattern is like this, okay. This one is not like this, like this, yes, Mach this one is the capital U, this is the okay. So, this one is the generalized equation. Okay. Second case, what is the second case? When both plates are fixed, we can go for the, yes, we can go for the very fundamental, or either we can, okay. Yes, we have earlier derived the, yes, this one case, we have, yes, this case, and this is the capital U, okay. So, in this case, when both plates are at rest, means both plates are fixed. In the most of the application, both plates are fixed. We have to calculate what is the velocity, what is the discharge, what is the shear stress distribution. In Cauchy flow, if we see in Cauchy flow, actually we derive similar expression, same expression, but their condition is the different. In condition is the one is the similar, one fixed, another is the movable, but in this case both are the fixed. But in this case, just we see in the previous, what is the u, capital U upon B into y, capital U upon B into capital U upon B into y. If you see velocity in this case, what is this? Capital U upon B into y minus 1 upon 2 mu del p del x by minus y square. This is the expression of the Cauchy flow, means when one is the fix, when one plate fixed, another the movable. But in this case, means if both plates are, what are changes? Putting the same changes means if this one is the fixed, ultimate u is 0, and putting this value of u is 0 in this expression, we get this velocity distribution, means putting the value capital U equal to 0, we get this condition. So, this component is the 0, this is the 0. So, this is minus u is minus 1 upon 2 mu del p del x by minus y square. So, this one is the, just see the expression, just check, this one is the velocity distribution. This is the velocity distribution, this is the velocity distribution, and just observe, visualize the velocity nature of the velocity distribution. What is the nature? Do you follow my point? What is the nature? Nature is the square term, nature is the parabola. Yes. So, this one is the nature is the parabolic, velocity distribution is the parabolic. And what is the maximum minimum value? Which case it is 0 when y, yes, this value, when, yes, when b equal to y. So, this become y square y 0 when b become y, yes, when b become y at this value, yes, it is the 0, clear, means at y equal to 0, at y equal to 0 means at initial at y 0 0, at y equal to b both are 0, at both ends, yes, at both end velocity is 0, yes, at y equal to 0. So, 0 0, okay, multiply 0. So, velocity 0, at y equal to b, yes, b square, yes, at this point is the 0, at this 0 this, and where is the maximum? Yes, if you see center y equal to b by 2, yes, y equal to b by 2. So, add, okay. So, this is the maximum. So, this is the pattern, yes. Velocity distribution, this is the parabolic at this point, yes, at this point means this is the b by 2, this is the b by 2, yes, just see. What about similar in shear stress? Just see shear stress. What is the value of shear stress? Mu u upon b, yes. If we calculate shear stress, just see shear stress. In this component, if putting in this expression this, yes, putting this u equal to 0, then what is the expression? This expression become, yes, shear stress, yes, this is the u capital U equal to 0, this is the shear stress, and what is the pattern of the nature? This is nature is the linear, pattern is the linear, and when y equal to v by 2 it becomes 0, and where is the maximum? Where is the maximum? Yes, at this point initial. So, what is the pattern? Shear b by 2 is 0, yes, is 0 it maximum. So, this one is the velocity distribution, a shear stress, this one is the shear. Shear stress distribution. Third one is the discharge per unit length, similar you can take discharge per unit length, yes, you can take in the discharge small q, just see putting this value 0. So, this one is become value b cube minus 12, yes, the result is the b cube, yes, this is the discharge per unit width. So, these are the, yes, changes. And what is the third case? When both plate are moving in opposite direction, both plate. So, the fundamental equation is, starting equation is the similar, yes, this equation, the fundamental, just see, this equation is the common for all. This equation is the common for all, because we are not taking the condition, then we apply the boundary condition. This one is the, yes, this one is the common condition, means u upon 1 upon 2 mu. So, this one is the common. So, in all the cases this is the common, yes, this one is the common. And what is the boundary condition? Y 0, yes, at y, because one is moving, yes, another is moving this upper u velocity, another is the v opposite, yes, some fluid is like this, another like this, this one is the pattern, this one is the b. So, y 0 u equal to, yes, initial y 0, this one is the minus v, and y v u equal capital U, because, yes, this one is the positive, yes, from reference, this one is the negative, because direction positive and negative. So, at y 0 u minus v, at y equal to b u equal to capital V, yes, putting the boundary and find what is the C 1 and C 2 calculate. If you calculate C 1 and C 2 and substitute in this equation, you got this equation, and this equation you can calculate phi y. We can calculate similar, we can calculate very fundamental equation is the very fundamental. So, by this distance y which velocity is 0, yes, you calculate at what point velocity is 0, at, yes, at what point velocity is the 0, yes, at what distance y at which the velocity 0 will, yes, you calculate. Then we calculate discharge per unit length. How we calculate? Similar, by similar way, u equal to 0 to b u dy. If you solve, you get, yes, u equal to u minus v, b by 2 minus 1 upon 12 b del p upon del x b q, yes, this one is the fundamental. Then shear distribution, yes, and shear stress, putting shear stress, and you got the shear distribution, and distance y h with the shear is 0, this one is the shear is 0. So, this all about, yes, this give all about the pattern of the velocity, means velocity distribution curve, the pattern of the shear means shear stress distribution in the all the cases means Cauchy flow. What is the Cauchy flow? When one plate fixed, another is the moving, this is the Cauchy flow. Okay. When both are at rest, means both at stationary position. Third is, this one is the moving with u velocity, this one is the moving with v velocity. So, boundary only changing, other the fundamental one equation is the common, u equal to 1 upon 2 yes, that is the common. We have only changing the boundary condition at y equal to, yes, for the both rest, at y equal to, yes, initial 0, at y equal to b, that 0 means velocity 0. If, yes, another the moving at the y 0, u 0, at y b u equal to capital U, another at y equal to at 0 v become minus u, minus v, and u become capital U. So, using these boundary condition, the concept is the similar. Okay. And next we can solve, if you go for the numerical, all type of numerical, how to calculate discharge per minute, shear stress, different pressure, velocity gradient, then, yes, velocity at the different point, yes, you can solve using all these fundamental equations. Thank you.